Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving deep into KEM, that is Kerala's very own entrance exam for engineering, pharmacy and many other professional courses. Whether you are aiming for engineering, architecture, medical or even agriculture. This video will cover everything you need to know about KEM, so let's get started. What is KEM? KEM or Kerala Engineering Architecture Medical Exam. It is held annually by the Commissioner of Entrance Examination, that is CEE. It's not just for engineering and pharmacy. It also opens doors to courses like architecture, MBBS, Ayurveda, veterinary, agriculture, forestry, fisheries, and even climate change studies. KEM is a state-level computer-based test with fees varying by course, and ST candidates get a full fee waiver. The exam lasts 3 hours for engineering and 1.5 hours for pharmacy. KEM scores are accepted by around 175 engineering and architecture colleges and over 50 medical and allied colleges across Kerala. So let's talk about KEM admission process. Here is a key point. KEM is not just a simple exam, it's a full admission process as it has two parts. First, the KEM entrance exam itself, which is for engineering and pharmacy aspirants. Second, there is the centralized admission process CAP counseling for courses like medical, agriculture, forestry, veterinary, fisheries and architecture. But admission here is based on your scores in national exams like NEET or NET. So if you want engineering or pharmacy, you'll have to write the KEM exam. For others, just register for CAP with your NEET or NATA scores. How many candidates appear for KEM? To give you some perspective, nearly 1,20,000 students appeared for KEM, around 85,000 to 90,000 appeared for engineering, and about 30,000 to 35,000 wrote the pharmacy exam. That's a huge crowd. So competition is definitely real. But with the right preparation, you can stand out. So let's talk about eligibility criteria. Now, who can write KEM? First up, you must have passed class 12 exams. There's no limit on the numbers of attempts, which is great news for repeaters. Also, you must be at least 17 years old by December 31st of the admission year. So if you meet these basic criteria, we're good to go. Courses offered in admission modes. KEM opens doors to tons of courses through different modes. Engineering and pharmacy admissions happen through KEM exam scores plus your 10+2 marks via KEM CAP counseling. Architecture admissions require your NATA scores. Medical and allied courses use your NEET scores. Agriculture, forestry, veterinary, fishery and biotechnology courses also depend on NEET scores through KEM CAP. This mix might sound tricky, but if you keep track of which exam applies to your course, you will breeze through the registration process. Let's talk about selection criteria for engineering. Here's an important tip for engineering aspirants. Your final rank is a combination of 50% KEM entrance exam marks and 50% class 12 board exam marks. So don't just focus on entrance exam, your board exam matters a lot too. Keep that balance and you will have a strong shot at top colleges. KEM 2026 exam pattern. For engineering KEM, 1 paper, 150 multiple choice questions, 75 maths, 45 physics, 30 chemistry. You get 4 marks for each correct and lose 1 mark for wrong answers. Total marks are 600 and the duration is 180 minutes. For pharmacy KEM, 1 paper, 75 MCQs, 45 physics, 30 chemistry with the same marking scheme. Total 300 marks and 90 minutes duration. Here's a pro tip. Practice managing your time so you don't get stuck on any one section. KEM 2026 syllabus overview. The syllabus is based on class 11th and 12th topics. Physics covers everything from units and measurements, kinematics, thermodynamics, optics to electromagnetic waves and electronic devices. Chemistry focuses on basics, atomic structure, chemical bonding, thermodynamics, redox reaction and more. Mathematics includes algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus and statistics. Focus on high weightage topics like integrals, conic sections, chemical bonding and laws of motion. These topics often appear and can boost your score significantly. Final tips to crack KEM 2026. Create a smart study plan based on the syllabus and exam pattern. Solve previous year question papers and take mock tests to improve speed and accuracy. Keep an eye on your board exam preparation. Remember, it counts for 50%. Make short notes for quick revision. Don't forget to take breaks. A fresh mind learns better. And most importantly, stay consistent and confident. You got this. That's it for today's KEM 2026 overview. Still confused? WhatsApp us hey at 8585951111 for free guidance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shiksha Engineering for more exam updates and preparation tips. Comment below if you want me to cover specific topics or have any questions. Best of luck to all KEM aspirants. Study smart, stay focused and ace that exam.